It is well known that Donald Trump, a former U.S. president, is wealthy and worth several billion dollars. Probably the richest person to ever live in the White House was Donald Trump, whose net worth is still up for debate. So in today's video, we will be taking a look at how Donald Trump spends his billions. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to Entrepreneur League and hit the bell icon. Hence, you will not miss any future videos on the channel. Let's start the video. Through the development of international commercial, resort, and residential real estate under the auspices of the Trump Organization, Donald Trump increased his wealth. The Trump Organization is a private entity and, as such, is not required to disclose financial information in the same way that a publicly traded company must. Trump owns a 30% stake in office and retail space in the 43-story building. It has a net worth of $348 million USD. Trump's total ownership is worth USD 2.1 billion when the USD 950 million debt is added in. The building, created by Emery Roth & Son, was built in 1964. In 2013, Mo de Armas and Shannon restored it. The building, which takes up an entire block in New York City's Manhattan borough, between 51st and 52nd Streets, has an all-white marble lobby. The building's upper levels offer views of Central Park and the rest of the city's skyline. Donald Trump's most well-known and most closely associated property is Trump Tower, which is also one of his other properties. After all, it was the first structure in Trump's portfolio to bear his name. The renowned architect Scott created the Trump Tower in 1983, and it became operational in 1985. Today, it ranks among the most recognizable landmarks in New York City. It was once the tallest glass building in the borough, rising 68 floors above Fifth Avenue in Manhattan. In addition to retail spaces, the building has 263 residences. Trump resides in the structure himself. His Trump Tower penthouse of 1,022 square meters is worth USD 51 million. The 1920s-era building, known as Trump Park Avenue, was formerly the Hotel Del Monaco. It is situated at the intersection of Park Avenue and 59th Street in Manhattan's Upper East Side. The structure houses over 120 opulent condos. Italian fixtures, polished hardwood floors, and marble finishes are used throughout the interior. In addition to some of the retail space on Trump Park Avenue, Trump owns 17 condos. The property is debt-free and has a total value of USD 115 million. The building is located next to Trump Tower on 6th East 57th Street and is known for housing some of the world's most famous brands. It has been granted a 100-year lease, which ends in 2079. The 6,038 square meter, 8-story structure once gained attention for housing Nike. The athletic lifestyle company moved to 6th East 57th Street in 1995. It is particularly well known for Nike shoes. Trump's building has a net worth of $133 million US. Donald Trump purchased two adjacent structures in 1981, Trump Park and Trump Park East. Trump is the owner of 12 condos, the garage, and a portion of the retail space. It is estimated to have a net worth of 44 million USD. The larger of the two is the neoclassical Art Deco Trump Park structure. Before World War II, it was initially constructed as the Barbizon Plaza Hotel, and it is situated directly across from Central Park. The 38 stories of the structure house have 340 luxurious apartments. There are 75 luxurious residences there, each with high beam ceilings, herringbone wood floors, and wood-burning fireplaces that evoke a bygone era. On any of the building's 14 floors, there are 2 to 5 residences. The Trump World Tower is a luxurious residence located close to the UN building. Due to the color of its curtain wall facade, the building stands out in the New York City skyline with its distinctive black appearance. A porte-cochere entranceway opens into a marble lobby with 2 stories. The 70-floor structure, which was completed in 2001, was marketed as the tallest residential structure in the world until Dubai's 21st Century Tower surpassed it 2 years later. The commercial portion, the garage, and a portion of the residential property, with a net value of $30 million, are all owned by Trump. New York City's Trump Plaza, which is associated with Donald Trump, is situated close to 3rd Avenue. It is close to what is referred to as the Museum Mile, an avenue that is home to some of the most well-known museums in the world, including the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The building, constructed in 1984, has 38 floors and 170 apartments. The building's apartments have balconies, and the spaces have large windows and high ceilings. Midtown Manhattan, Lower Manhattan, and the East River are all visible from the building. The 52-story Trump International Hotel and Tower is situated next to Columbus Circle at the intersection of Central Park West and Central Park South. Trump has a net worth of $6 million and owns the retail space, a garage, and a portion of the residential area. The total value is $12 million after subtracting a $6 million debt. The residences, which are located on floors 23 through 52, can be reached via a private entrance on Central Park West. One of New York City's most recognizable landmarks is 40 Wall Street, a pyramid with a spire on top. The pyramid's original finish was copper that had been coated with lead. It is currently turquoise in color. The 72-story building, which was built in 1930, once held the title of the world's tallest building. The structure, which was formerly known as the Manhattan Company Building, is situated in the city's financial district, close to the New York Stock Exchange. In 1995, Donald Trump committed more than $200 million to renovations. His structure was given landmark status by the New York City Landmarks Preservation Committee in 1998. After this, it is also known as Trump Building. A grand mansion in Bedford, New York, goes by the name of Seven Springs. The mansion is situated on a property that spans the Westchester County towns of Bedford, Armonk, and Chappaqua, covering an area of about 1 square kilometer. Trump spent $7.5 million on the property in 1996. As of December 2015, the entire Seven Springs property was worth $56.5 million. Local government appraisers, however, reportedly told the Associated Press that the estate was only worth $20 million. Trump Hotel and Tower International, the 92-story Chicago building, rises near Michigan Avenue and the Chicago River, providing a view of Lake Chicago. The glass structure, which was finished in 2008, held the record for the tallest residential structure until Burj Khalifa passed it. Over 11 floors, from the 17th to the 27th, there are 339 condominiums and hotel rooms with 5-star amenities. From the 29th floor to the 89th floor, there are more residential condos, including 5-bedroom penthouses. The structure has a 2,136 square meter spa and an indoor pool that is 22.8 meters long. The structure also houses renowned restaurants. Well, that's all for today's video. Tell us your views in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to Entrepreneur League for more amazing videos. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you soon in the next video.